This is Chad with Let's Be Adventurous. Today I've got another video for you guys. We're going to review the Mopeka products propane tank sensors. Bought it off Amazon the other day, and today we're going to unbox it. We're going to put it on the trailer and give it a little review. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to do a little unboxing here. So it comes in this nice package, pretty slim, a lot smaller package than I thought it would be. So we're going to open it up, and it should just pop open.
Yeah.
Okay, we got it open. We got some instructions there. What's that? Is that the sensor? Oh, here, hold it down here. That's the sensor, okay. That goes inside, or the monitor, I'm sorry. What else is in there?
Pop out.
Oh, okay. We got some metal feet, some screws, and this looks like
These are plug-in.
some kind of grease.
Here too.
Oh, there's two of them. Okay. So this kit comes with metal feet. I've heard some criticism in the past from previous users that the old plastic ones broke after a certain amount of time, and basically it was a big hassle to have your sensor on there. I believe the sensors used to be a little bit thicker as well. These are pretty darn thin.
Yeah.
A lot thinner than I would have ever thought. And then this is very lightweight. I'm probably going to use some double-sided tape just to make sure it's where I want it when I mount it, and I can always screw it in later. It does look like it's got the back is removable to replace the batteries. The same thing with these. Alright, so I got my tank off the RV here. I put these feet on. I thought I would be able to slide them on, but it's proving pretty tough. So I got a hammer. I'm just going to kind of real lightly tap them into place here. Alright, now that all my feet are on, I'm going to take my sensor and I'm going to put a little dielectric grease on here. And then I'm going to take the sensor and I'm going to put it right where the sensor is reading in the middle of the tank. It's nice and secure. And I'm going to stand the tank up. And I actually have the tank already synced up to the monitor. It's pretty easy. You just hit the sync button on the sensor and the monitor at the same time. It's going to kind of flash. And then it should give me, you know what? It's this one. And it's full, and that's a full tank. Alright, and then I've also synced this up with my phone. I'll have to take some screenshots of the phone app and show you how that works. Alright guys, so I was going to mount this on my camper here. Here's my panel, light switch, radio, right inside the interior door. I went to peel the sticker off, and of course the sticker got the best of me. So we're going to cover this up with the monitor. I'm going to screw it in. I think it should cover it up pretty well there. Obviously I would have it the right way. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover it up with the monitor, and I think we can cover it up pretty good there. And we're going to mount the monitor right there. Alright, you guys can see that I got my monitor screwed in here. It's a little off center, but to cover up that hole, I got a little piece of the loose veneer there. I'm gonna glue it in because there's a little spot right there, but I just have it secured behind there right now. So if I press the button, it searches for the signal, and we got a full tank there. And then this Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. See you next time. Here.